Yeah, baby. Pressure on, one of these days I'll learn. Don't fuck with trick ass niggas cause they turn into bitch ass niggas. I'm sick of being stuck in the county jail. My niggas clown, bring a pound when they both have bail. Fucking blunts in the driveway. My phone five screaming fuck the police. Wake up till I die. You wonder why I'm made this way. I wasn't turned out, I was raised this way. I'm thinking these are the dreams of the young teen. Scheme, it's that cream of the black bean. One time came home, man. One of these days we gotta bust back for the home, man. Locked down in the penitentiary. I wanna lose my mind if the kid sits me up. Stress, smoking weed and nicotine. But what a nigga really need is kerosene. Right before I die, I'll be cursing alone. Reincarnated bitch, keep worse than the most. My whole clothes gonna pay back. My underhand is laying to get the niggas while they lay back. And Big Stretch hit the scene with the mini 14. Serving suckers like dope fiends. Empty the whole thing. Under pressure, nigga. That's right.
Yeah. Never run, throw your gun in the air. Oh yeah. Nigga, boss ain't no time to spare. Cause the ruckus motherfucker and we fuck shit up. And with the stainless steel raven, boy, we cut shit up. Fast and blast a nigga with the quickness. Cockin' for a pound, motherfucker, when I spit this and rip this. Damn, my mind is in the depths of hell. But when I'm walking on the street, keep my name ring bells and I never will. Nigga, I stand too tall. I'm just a tough motherfucker who's born to roll. Give him my all, some niggas wanna bring it to me. So I'ma sell my cocaine and lay their ass down, G. Under pressure.
Yeah. Look here. Running wild, I never smiled as a juvenile. Even now, I keep a friend when I come around. Don't ask me about the past, it was all bad. Shots blasted, but I last in the wrong path. And the dog is where my heart felt the most grief. Motherfuckers is getting shanked up on road deep. Am I sick? Cause I'm addicted to getting slippy. Watch a stupid ass trick